We absolutely love it when students visit us here at NewsDepth headquarters. Today, some students from Lakewood stopped by and gave us some pretty cool gifts. Thank you, by the way. But seeing these students gives us a chance to get feedback on the show, learn about what stories students are really interested in, and we find it so motivating to meet our viewers. Recently, the Newsworthy elective from Incarnate Word Academy in Parma Heights stopped by to tour our studios and speak with some of our colleagues here at Ideastream Public Media. This group of students have a different take on the announcements. I mean, they do all of the things that you'd imagine, like telling their classmates about what's on the lunch menu, what activities are happening that day, and sharing important information, but they also interview their classmates. When they were with us, the students spoke with several of our reporters and learned about interviewing techniques, and they practiced asking questions that were more open-ended to avoid yes or no answers, and then asking follow-up questions. An example would be if I asked a news hound something like, "Where is your favorite place to take a walk?" And then I'd ask them, "Why do you like that place so much?" We were really impressed when the students told us about their legacy project. A legacy is the long-lasting impact of a particular person's life. For their legacy project, the students are featuring a longtime IWA teacher who was retiring at the end of the year. The students are interviewing teachers, current and past students, and other members of the IWA community to learn about how this teacher has impacted them over the years. I think that is a great way to honor the impact of a beloved teacher. This week's A+ award goes to the Newsworthy elective team at Incarnate Word Academy for visiting our studios to learn more about interviewing techniques, sharing important information about their classmates, and most importantly, honoring a member of the school's community in such a respectful way. Keep up the great work.